We are excited to share with you news about this year's annual fund campaign, Lights, Camera, Action.
In the past, parents, faculty, staff, and community members have been very generous in supporting our STEM initiatives through the annual fund. Through their contributions, we were able to purchase equipment for robotics, state-of-the-art active panels, VEX programming, as well as Wi-Fi enabled classrooms.
We are asking you to support this year's campaign through gifts of prayer, gifts of involvement on the annual fund committee, and gifts of financial participation. Our goal is to raise $15,000 to introduce new and exciting innovations in learning.
Now we are thrilled to announce
our goals for this year's
Lights, Camera,
Action
Annual Fund Campaign.
We're coming to you from the new Parish Video Production Studio in the Parish Activity Center. We're really excited that $8,000 from this year's annual fund campaign will be used to purchase cameras and lighting equipment to help us to complete this space. This studio will support our morning newscast and our middle school video production specialty program that we launched this year.
We are in the 7th grade at All Saints, and each week we take video production class with Mrs. Pettigen and Mrs. DeVore in the computer lab.
This year, we are learning how to write scripts, create storyboards, give on-air presentations, film, edit, and produce videos. Next year, we'll put all our training to work as producers of All Saints Morning Newscast.
And we can't wait to get started in the new studio. Lights, Camera, Action.
The annual fund will also focus on science.
Hands-on science encourages students to actively participate, ask questions, and make discoveries of their own.
It also makes the learning experience more memorable and meaningful.
We're pleased to share that we will be allocating $5,000 from the annual fund campaign this year to purchase resources and equipment for hands-on learning in science in grades pre-K through the middle school.
Come along for our final destination in the All Saints School Library, where Miss Coyle has a special surprise.
I'm excited to announce that $2,000 from the 2021-2022 annual fund will be used to purchase a fully stocked book vending machine. All students will receive a special token on their birthday that can be used to select a free book from the book vending machine. It's a great way for us to promote literacy.
Our new book vending machine will make birthdays and reading fun. Happy birthday, feliz cumpleaños.
We're so grateful for your continued support of All Saints Catholic School, and we invite you to participate in this year's annual fund campaign. Through your gifts of prayer, involvement, and financial participation, you can truly make a difference in the lives of the children in our school. For more information, please see the forms that we will be sending to you, by which you can share your pledge in support of the campaign, or you can go online to our website at allsaintsvaschool.org. Again and in advance, thank you for your generous support of our efforts.
Thank you for supporting this year's annual fund campaign. Lights, Camera, Action.